Welcome back to Course Crash U.S. History. Here today we're taking a look at the famous case Cohens versus Virginia and its impact on states' rights. In 1812, Congress passed an act commissioning the creation of a lottery for the Washington, D.C. area to fund the beautification of D.C. Mendez and Philip Cohen, brothers, ran a reputable business selling these lottery tickets in the Washington, D.C. area. They soon realized the market potential of selling outside the District of Columbia and attempted to make some extra cash selling to the residents of Norfolk, Virginia. Now, at the time, there was a law in Virginia banning the sale of lottery tickets from out of state. A Virginian court convicted the Cohens brothers of selling lottery tickets in violation of this law and fined them $100. The brothers appealed this decision to the Superior Court of Virginia. The Superior Court ruled that this kind of case wasn't eligible for further review. Eventually, they took the case to the Supreme Court under John Marshall. Virginia argued that the case had effectively stopped at the lowest level of court, and the Supreme Court had no say in this because the issue resided under the state's jurisdiction, and that it was a criminal case. They also argued that the 11th Amendment, which states the court had no right to hear a case between a citizen and a state, barred the Supreme Court from getting involved. In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court ruled that all cases that involved any form of federal law, in this case the lottery, had the right to be heard by the Supreme Court. They referenced Article 3, Section 2 of the Constitution, which says, majorly paraphrasing, that any issue regarding the Constitution, public officials, the government itself, and most importantly, cases involving a state, are able to be heard by the Supreme Court. Essentially, John Marshall extended the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court to include every case. However, they ruled that the state of Virginia had the power to prohibit the sale of these items. Additionally, in the hearing, John Marshall stated that federal laws will always trump state laws. Unfortunately for the Cohen brothers, the court upheld their conviction. They ruled that despite the fact that Congress created a national lottery, it was not their intent to have these tickets sold in Virginia.